English Academy. My dear viewers of elementary plus and intermediate level, today I am going to start a beautiful chapter, and it is called the tenses in English. Many people who teach tenses say tenses are the most difficult thing in English. That's all wrong. Nothing is difficult, because if you have your motivation, your interest, there is nothing like impossible, difficult, no way, all sort of negativities. People are trying to say that it's a very big job, a big task, but I can teach you with my 35 years of teaching that the tenses are as simple as ABC. 1 plus 2 equals 3. That's all. So simple. How many tenses and all, I will explain to you one day. But before that, let us start step by step. It becomes easy. Today, we are going to start the first phase of the tenses. There are 3 tenses: present, past, future. Present, past, future. What is present? Which is now. What is past? That's gone. And what's future? That will come. But there are no 3 tenses. Actually, these are called 3 times, not tenses. Don't confuse times with tenses. There are 3 times: the time present, the time past, the time future. The tenses are only the structures. The structures. They are used in many ways. Present tense can be used even in actions of past. Present tense can be used for future. Present tense can be used anything that you feel like. These are only the parts you can fix wherever you want. But the time, 3 times: present time, past time, future time. And there are only 2 tenses. They are present tense and past tense. For future time, we will use this present plus ing continuous. Past plus ing past continuous. These are all the very simple formulas, simple structures. Let's talk about present simple. Today, I said I'm going to talk about present. This doesn't show an action now. Present simple doesn't show an action now. It can be an action of the past, it can be present, or it can be future time. You are confused? Don't worry. I will explain to you. For example, I drink tea. I drink tea. I is called pronoun. Which are the pronouns? Look at the board. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These are the pronouns, 7 pronouns. And the verbs like. So, if I say that this is my habit, this is my practice, tea is my favorite thing. So you can say I like. Now, for we like, for you like, for they like. Whereas for the singulars, he, she, it is not like, it is likes. Addition of s, likes. So, if you say he likes, she likes, it likes. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of part 1. We will continue the remaining present simple in part 2. By the way, please convey this message, send these lessons to all your friends, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Ma salam, take care, bye.